I've worked with a lot of people in healing very deep trauma, and one of the biggest things that stands out to me is the fact that when you have an incredibly painful experience that you don't have the emotional, mental, or physiological capacity to actually integrate or deal with in that moment, the experience that you will have as an adult trying to go back and deal with that thing is going to be very similar. You're going to have a feeling like, and a thought typically, which says, this is way too much for me to deal with and to handle. It's way too painful. Too much has happened. And the reality is that you actually have to feel that, because that is exactly how it felt, and that is why you're being split in the first place. What we don't want to do with ourselves, which is what a lot of people do with kids, which is, you're fine, everything's okay, you're gonna be okay, without validating the fact that, no, actually, that experience was too much for you at the time, and what we're gonna do now is stabilize enough of your being to be able to deal with some of those things and release some of those things and integrate some of those things. We're going to increase the capacity, because you didn't have the capacity then. That's why it's still here now. And instead of totally misattuned validation, it can look something more like, it's really fucking scary and it's really hard, and we can do hard things.